The best affiliate marketing tips and tricks. If you are looking for all of the basics regarding affiliate marketing, plus some other tips that you might not have heard of, this video is for you. This can be a confusing subject with all of the different opinions and information that is available, especially when a lot of it is contradictory. Give visitors many different options for connecting to your affiliate marketing through social media networks. In this day and age, people often choose to surf whichever portal is most convenient to them at the moment. If they are already posting on one source, they will often stay on that same source for more information. Be available on all of the social media sites in order to always be easily accessible to visitors. When selecting an affiliate program, be very sure to read the fine print of your contract, and especially beware any exclusivity clauses. An exclusivity clause may dictate that you can only promote that company's products on your website. This can seriously impact your earnings if you plan to use multiple programs. Affiliate marketing and SEO go hand in hand, you can't have one without the other. Once you join an affiliate marketing program, determine the best keywords that will drive potential buyers to your site. Making your site easy to find and highly relevant to the product you're advertising will translate into more click-throughs and more conversions. Do not waste your time on products that are only offering commissions of 5 to 10%. You can hold out for larger commissions of 20 to 50%. And with the way this type of marketing works, it's usually the better products offering the larger commissions, and better products sell a lot easier than cheaper products. As stated at the beginning, there is quite a bit of information available regarding affiliate marketing. Hopefully, you will find these tips beneficial. You should now find yourself ahead of the game if you are working to become an expert, or just trying to get a bit of background information. Student loan.